Have you been researching insurance adjusting and keep seeing the same term, staff adjuster, but aren't quite sure what it means? Maybe you're considering a career in claims, but you're trying to figure out whether becoming a staff adjuster or an independent adjuster is the better fit for your goals. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what staff adjusters do and how that job differs from independent adjusting, and the pros and cons of this career path so you can make an informed decision better for your future. Welcome back to the Adjuster Pro channel. One of the most common questions we hear from people exploring the insurance industry is, what exactly is a staff adjuster? Well, it's a great question because understanding the different types of adjuster roles can help you avoid pursuing a career path that doesn't match your lifestyle, income goals, or long-term plans. So let's start with the basics. What is a staff insurance adjuster? A staff insurance adjuster is an adjuster who works directly for an insurance company as a full-time employee. Companies like Allstate, Progressive, Geico, State Farm, and many others hire staff adjusters to investigate, evaluate, and settle claims on the behalf of the insurance carrier. Unlike independent adjusters who work for multiple insurance companies through adjusting firms. Staff adjusters typically work for one carrier and handle only that company's claims. Most staff adjusters receive a salary, benefits, paid time off, and any other advantage that comes with a traditional employment. What does a staff adjuster do? The day-to-day responsibilities can vary depending on the role. Some staff adjusters work primarily inside an office or from home, reviewing claims documentation, photos, and reports. Others spend time in the field inspecting property damage, meeting with the policyholders, and documenting losses. Regardless of where they work, staff adjusters are responsible for investigating claims, reviewing coverage, estimating damages, communicating with the policyholders, and helping determine how much should be paid based on the insurance policy. In many ways, they're the people helping policyholders navigate the claims processes after losses occur. Staff adjusters versus independent adjusters. This is where many people get confused. Both staff and independent adjusters perform similar claims work, but their employment structure is different. A staff adjuster is employed directly by one insurance company. They generally receive predictable paychecks, benefits, and a consistent workload. An independent adjuster, on the other hand, typically works through independent adjusting firms and may handle multiple insurance carriers. Independent adjusters often have more flexibility and potentially higher earning opportunities, but the work can be less predictable. Neither path is universally better, they're just simply different. Pros and cons of being a staff adjuster. Let's talk about some of the advantages. One major benefit is stability. Many new adjusters appreciate having a steady salary, employer-sponsored benefits, structured training, and a clear career path within a company. Staff adjusters can also be a great way to gain experience and learn claims handling processes while working alongside experienced professionals. Of course, there are trade-offs. Compared to some independent adjusters, especially those working catastrophe claims, staff adjusters may have lower earning potential and less flexibility over where and when they work. For some people, stability is the priority. For others, flexibility and higher earning income potential is more appealing. If you're considering becoming an insurance adjuster, the most important thing is understanding which career path aligns with your goals. Do you want a more traditional employment experience with benefits and consistency? A staff adjuster role may be a great fit. Do you want more flexibility, potentially higher earnings? Well, independent adjusting may be worth exploring. We've included additional resources below to help you learn more about both career paths and what it takes to get started. So please click the link below. If you want to read an article that goes more in depth about the things I talked about today in this video, that link will also be in the description below. No matter which direction you choose, insurance adjusting can offer a rewarding career path with opportunities for growth and advancement. If you're interested in learning more about insurance adjusting, licensing, and industry careers, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with everything on the Adjuster Pro channel. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.